To chatter magpie plumage pie, black and white is chattering high. One for sorrow, two for joy. Canadh scaled this handsome boy. Surely one can't be all that bad. Salute him or wave or pinch a tad. 3 for a girl, 4 for a boy. Canadh healing shape bad luck or joy. Oh, folklore and stories, false or real, those shiny objects some say he'll steal. 5 for silver, 6 for gold. Canadh captain too is he bold. This rhyme passed on from days of yore, with many lines all packed with great lore. 7 for a secret never to be told. Our own more clever bird we scold. Oh, to the magpie and a new little ditty, his cackle quick flaps, but isn't he pretty? Don't be too cross or give him great strife. Begging for a hammock for his dear lady wife.